Microsoft Planner is a part of Office 365, and if you want to go ahead and access it, then once you're signed in onto your Microsoft account, you simply need to go ahead and type in planner.cloud.microsoft right here, or simply go around over here onto your list of web apps while you're accessing out your Microsoft account, and then you can simply go around over here onto more apps right here. And then from over there, you can access Microsoft Planner. So this is the more apps section, as you can see right here. So from over here, what you can do is you can go ahead and access out Planner from over here as well. So now let us just get back over here onto the main interface, and you can see that it's fairly looks simple right here. Over here, you have an option to create a new plan or a portfolio. So over here, you can see that this is the grid view. You can go ahead and add in tasks as you like. For example, I'm going to say sample right here. Then over here, you see the board mode where you can go ahead and move out the cards as necessary right here. So you can go ahead right here and then let's say, for example, move out the card to go ahead and take practice of it right here. So this is what you have right here. So over here, you will be able to go ahead and see your task, and under my plans, you will be able to go ahead and see the plans that may have been shared by others right here. Here, you'll be able to see some pinned items right here. So now, in order to make a plan, you can go ahead and click on new plan right here and choose the option right here, and you'll be able to see various options. And throughout this tutorial series, now we're going to focus on how we can go ahead and make plan and then keep track of our plan so that we can complete it efficiently using Microsoft Planner. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.